Hi, I'm your instructor, Armin Hajinian, and this week I want to talk to you a little bit about growing your business. This is going to be about a minute or two mini lecture. Um, Many students come to us and they say, I have this great idea for a business. I can make a lot of money at it. Everyone likes it. Um, Whatever it is, it's a great idea. Uh, where things fall apart, where the wheels fall off the wagon, so to speak, is on the accounting side of things. Now, accounting and bookkeeping isn't the most fun thing in the world, but it's how we keep score. I've said this before. It's kind of like if you're shooting baskets or golfing or bowling or playing pool, somehow you're counting how many shots you take, how many baskets you hit, how many billiard balls go in the pockets. Same thing with business. You can't have a business without counting the money. Um, I know it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people don't like to think about that part, but you have to. I'm sorry. Um, so we have a really simple income statement. It's five things: sales minus your cost of goods sold, in other words, the things that you need to make this business go. If you have a service business, you probably have very little in that area because you're just selling your time. You subtract that and you have your gross. Outside of the gross, you can subtract your selling, general, and administrative expenses. So basically your stuff that makes the business go. Your overhead, like for example, your insurance. Maybe you need your cell phone or of course internet service. That's your overhead. That's your selling, general, and administrative expenses. You subtract that from your gross and you have your net profit. Or, like they always say on TV, or videos, your bottom line. Okay, so five things: sales, subtract cost of goods sold, that equals your gross. Subtract that, or your selling, general, administrative expenses, or overhead, equals your net. So those are the five items that give you a really quick balance sheet, or excuse me, income statement that tells you if you're making money or not. So seriously, back of a napkin type stuff, and you need to do this because you'll see if this business is panning out for you. You might be pleasantly surprised to find out that, yeah, with a little bit of investment, you're making more money at this than you are at your day job. Okay? But we have to prove this, and scientifically, with math, not a scary word, you can do it and you'll be all right at it. Okay? Thank you. Have a good week.